Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jody.
I'm Teresa.
And we're RboundlessVentures. And we're finishing up our snowbirding trip down here in Florida. We're here. We spent a week here at RVLock Campground, Ortona. I'll put it on the screen so you guys will know what we're saying. Just wanted to do a little, like they say, talking head video. And I'll show you what we did during the winter here in sunny Florida. Played down here, they call it bags. I don't know if it's all the northerners that are at the park, but we call it cornhole where we're from, and I'll put a clip of that in there. We went to a local state park. It's Mayaca. I did a partial video. I'll link that down below too. But we just took Sabbath out for a nice little walk, looked at some alligators, spent some time with some friends over there, even attempted to feed some wildlife. So check that out. I'll put a link down below of some of the projects that we did while we were here. I did them as shorts, but I'll put links to those videos down in the description, where I modified our water filter water system to help with flushing the black tank, where we did the modification to our hamper to aid in installing and removing of dirty clothes.
Yes.
Makes it a lot nicer. So if you've made it this far in the video,
retake.
So if you've made it this far in the video, we are trying to come up with, I don't know, a unique way to characterize our subscribers. Not necessarily to be like other channels, but just to simplify, maybe make it fun, interactive for everybody. Like I wrote down a couple. So we're gonna use the moniker RBV for Our Boundless Ventures. Instead of saying all that, we'll say RBV, just like it's in the hat here. And you know, I come up with a couple names like the RBV crew, RBV squad, or even RBVians.
We need you guys' feedback on it, or if you have other ideas,
yep, drop it down there in the comments.
Let us know.
So that's going to wrap it up for now. We appreciate everyone. As of today, we've broke the 400 subscriber mark. I want to thank everyone for hitting that subscribe button. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Help us out, help us grow. You know, we're not like other channels. We're trying to get better at the ventures, and we go do things. I forget to bring the camera. I'm too into the moment of living, and I forget to either turn the camera on or bring the camera at all.
We have definitely missed a lot of good moments along the way by being in the moment, which is not a bad thing, but we would love to get a lot of other people involved in it as well. So,
yeah, help us out. And again, thanks everyone for watching. And that's going to conclude today, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Everybody stay safe out there, and enjoy the road.